Candidates will be required to log in to the Assam government website www.gov.in or the SEBA website sebaonline.org to know the results today from 2 p.m. onwards. And department-wise allocation will be done through a randomization system on 5th of May at 10 a.m. in front of independent observers, and the department-wise results will be shared with the concerned department on 6th morning, and on the same day by afternoon the results will be available on the website of the different websites for which have been created specially for this purpose, where the people can see their department-wise allocation on 6th as well for all the candidates who have qualified. I'll just give a brief of the number of people who have qualified. As I said earlier, 11,510 vacancies were available and exams were conducted for that. Total recruitment is for 11,324 candidates, out of which 3,42431 are general, 4,485 OBC, 956 scheduled caste, 1,253 STP, 535 STH, 1,664 EWS, 270 persons with disabilities, 85 servicemen, ex-servicemen, and 2,661 reserved for women posts. Total 11,324.